Hello, I'm Matt and welcome to Badger Workshop. I've had this saw for a few months now, so I thought I'd give you my thoughts on it. It's got the catchy name of the Dewalt DWS774-GB. I got it because of how compact it is and how close you can have it to the wall, and as you can see, if you didn't have the hose attached, you could get it even closer. It's only got a 216mm blade, but I've not noticed that being a problem at all. And for me, I'd rather have the space than the larger capacity. So you can see it's about 67 centimeters off the wall. So the reason it's so compact is it doesn't have the rails sticking out the back. They're inbuilt. And I have to say, they slide very nicely. The one thing you don't get with this rail system is you can't do trenching cuts. But that is not something I did very often anyway. I'm not going to bore you with all the specs of this saw because they're available online multiple places. But as you can see, it bevels and locks really nicely, with very positive stops. Some saws were cut much further past 45 degrees, but again, this is a feature I can live without. A 45-degree mitre is the thing I'm going to be needing to cut the most. The head also bevels. It's only a single bevel, but I find the bevel feature again is not a feature I use often. I've had saws with lasers and I've never used them, but this one has a shadow line. And as you can see, the blade matches up perfectly to the shadow. And I found myself using it quite a lot. It comes with a clamp, but like most saws, it seems to be a bit of an afterthought. On one side, it seems to hit the motor. One good thing is, you can adjust it up and down the shaft quite quickly, instead of just spending ages screwing it up and down. So on the other side, it works fine. I'll try and demonstrate how good it is at collecting dust by making a few cuts first without the extractor on, or even plugged into it. And now the same with my nil disc vac attached. Certainly not perfect, but a lot better, and I think you could modify that little dust scoop and do even better. The one thing I don't like about the saw is the handle. So you've got to press that lever in and then you can pull the trigger. Well, actually you can't. You've got to press that lever in, push that button in and then pull the trigger. And I sometimes want to use my saw left-handed and it's very difficult to do and extremely uncomfortable. Also, to get the shadow line to work, you have to push the lever all the way in, which I find I sometimes don't do. So, in conclusion, it's a really compact little saw, which is also pretty cheap. It's accurate, doesn't take up much room, which is great if you have got a small workshop, and the dust collection's not bad. I hope this was of interest to some of you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.